Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review Diecast from Majorette. This is the street cars 5 set, and let me open this. This set of 5 street cars comes with a Porsche 918 Spyder of blue metal one. This is a Fiat 500 icon with open top model, as you see. This is a Citroen C3 sky blue color with black interiors. This is interesting. This is Volvo L350H, and it has this movable part. And it's very fun to play. And it also comes with a excavator with this movable part. Please note there are 4 wheels beneath. This track is not movable one, but it can rotate 360 degrees, and also it can take some soil. Model is a Volvo EC950F. This is the name of the model it replicated. The highlights and the metal body is really good, and I would say this is completely worth the money. I got this streetcar set of 5 each for around 650 in offer, and I feel this is a good value for money. Thank you. Until next time.